Mount Pleasant's head coach Donovan Duque says his new role gives him more time to coach the national under-23 team. Duque was named the head coach of the St. Anne-based club after their promotion to the Red Stripe Premier League for the upcoming season. However, with Duque being given the responsibility to guide the qualification for Jamaica's under-23 team for the 2020 Olympics, he says leaving Waterhouse was the best decision.
Than if I am at Waterhouse. To be the head coach of Waterhouse, you have to be hands-on, you have to be upfront, you have to be there every single minute of your life because of the pressure it brings. So I would better be able to be here, to be at the national team, which takes precedence over every single thing I do now.
Despite carrying Waterhouse to the RSPL final and qualifying for the Caribbean Club Championship, Duque says his departure from the Drewslander side was not easy.
And I can recall on June 3rd. On June 3rd, I spoke to the chairman, I spoke to the president, I spoke to the VP, and I told them I would not return as head coach. On June 3rd, Mount Pleasant was nowhere near qualifying for the Premier League. The project at Mount Pleasant and my family, which should be the most important thing. It's time I can coach and go back home to see my kids.
And though his appointment to Mount Pleasant was made official earlier this week, Duque refused to discuss the extent of his contract.
What I have to do is to get a good management job.
I don't want to discuss a contract and about Mount Pleasant. I've put pen to paper in terms of the arrangement, the agreement. I wouldn't want that to be public, but this is where I am and this is where I'll be. And when I'm not here, I'm with the national program, and if I'm not with the national program, I'm here.